Over the past few years, Tesla has scaled its electric vehicles extremely successfully, from the original Model 3 ramp up to the Model Y. Yet, while Tesla's achievements were great, there is so much more to come as we are literally at the beginning of a huge growth curve. Most recently, Elon Musk and Tesla's team had a confidential meeting that detailed their full expansion and growth trajectories going forward. In this video, I will talk about some of the things that were discussed in this meeting, some steps and strategies that Tesla could adopt in the coming months. As we all know, Elon Musk definitely is not like any other CEO in the way he manages his companies and speaks with others. One of the actions he often does is drop hints about where Tesla is headed in the future. However, when Elon drops hints, he does it in a subtle manner because he has been in the war with the FCC. This war has been going on ever since his infamous tweet where he claimed he would take Tesla private at $420 per share. To give you an example of that, in January of 2020, Elon Musk tweeted, "Shares are underappreciated in my opinion." This tweet actually meant to say that shares are underappreciated, not actual shares, but Tesla shares. Shortly after that tweet, Tesla shares went up 38.5% before crashing when the pandemic hit. Most recently, Tesla had a secret meeting that just happened to occur while Elon Musk did some strange actions on Twitter. On March of 26, 2021, Elon Musk tweeted, "I think there's a greater than 0% chance Tesla could become the biggest company." Elon purposely stated that there was a greater than 0% chance Tesla could become the biggest company in order to prevent legal threats from arising. Elon's tweet just happens to coincide with the leak about Tesla's confidential meeting. According to the multiple sources, Elon Musk recently held a company-wide call for Tesla. The call reviewed Tesla's achievements in 2020 and also stated that the full self-driving subscription service will be coming in just 6 weeks. Yet that's not the important thing. Elon was looking to have Tesla deliver 1 million cars in this year, 2021. This will be spearheaded by Giga Shanghai's expansion, which will deliver extremely promising results and even better results in 2022. Tesla's secret meeting and a few other hints detail Elon's ambition for the Tesla's future. There are few catalysts that make Elon Musk confident Tesla will become the largest company in a few months. Tesla becoming the largest company would definitely be a huge deal, and for this to happen, Tesla stock would have to 4x in value to over 500 per share in just a few months. The first major catalyst for Tesla over the next few months has got to be Tesla's full self-driving developments. Over the past few months, Tesla has rolled out its new full self-driving rewrite that has been making a significant amount of progress. If Tesla can reach a point extremely close to full self-driving, then Tesla's stock's valuation will certainly be pricing in a huge premium for it. Remember, stock prices are always about predictions for the future, and once it becomes clear that full self-driving is coming, Tesla's stock will price it in. It's clear that Elon Musk was specifically referring to full self-driving as a catalyst for Tesla, as his original tweet about Tesla becoming the biggest company was a reply to an investor being bullish about full self-driving. The interesting thing here is that full self-driving alone can add $500 billion to the Tesla's market cap, as it is arguably one of the most revolutionary software programs in the entire world. Not only that, but it solidifies Tesla as a tech company instead of just a car company, as offering software as a service will bring huge profit margins. In particular, Tesla's addition of full self-driving as a subscription will bring extra profits on top of its car business in the short and long run. The next huge catalyst for Tesla stock is the expansion of Tesla's production capacity. Elon Musk thinks that Tesla delivering a million vehicles is very completely possible in 2021. 1 million vehicles is a 100% year-over-year increase from 2020, which is much more than what Wall Street is projecting. Wall Street analysts are predicting that Tesla's revenue grows 52.5% in 2021. Invading these estimates by such a large margin would definitely lead Tesla stock to skyrocket in the short term. Giga Shanghai is quickly expanding to become 2 or even 3 times larger than its current size. There is no doubt that Giga Shanghai is going to provide huge growth for Tesla's deliveries in the short term. Not only that, but Giga Berlin is expected to start production in mid of 2021, which will provide even more production capacity to Tesla's deadlines. Lastly, Giga Texas is on pace to start production in 2021, where Tesla will start producing the Cybertruck. All of this production capacity expansion could lead Tesla to smash its delivery targets by a huge margin in the future. Ever since Elon Musk announced this plan for a $25,000 Tesla, many have been waiting on the edge of their seat to purchase it. According to Tesla's China president Tom Zhu, Tesla will finish the engineering and designing of its new $25,000 electric car in 2021. This could mean that Tesla may reveal its $25,000 vehicle this year and begin production in 2022 or in 2023. The reason is because there were documents submitted by Tesla to the Chinese government that actually stated that mass production of Tesla's cheaper vehicle could begin as early as 2022. Now, of course, Tesla could be over ambitious with its timelines, but if Tesla does indeed reveal this cheaper vehicle in 2021, then we could easily see Tesla stock rise by a substantial amount. The last potential catalyst for Tesla stock over the next few months is regarding Tesla's energy department. One of the key drivers in Tesla's energy division is its Mega Pack, which essentially is a huge battery pack that utility companies use to store and trade energy. Tesla has been revealed to be behind a big secret battery project in England, Texas, which could be a hint at rapid expansion for Mega Pack developments. Additionally, Tesla's solar roof may also be on the verge of a new update. On March 2nd, new Tesla solar roof tiles are spotted at a test facility, which hints at an upcoming review of a new Tesla solar roof version. Overall, there are many potential catalysts over the next few months that make Elon Musk confident about Tesla's bright future. And there is no reason why the US shareholders should not be as confident as well. And guys, we all know that Elon is usually overconfident regarding the timelines. But even if these catalysts happen in the next 8 to 12 months, it would still be a massive boost for Tesla and set the stage for the decade of Tesla's most disruptive innovation. Now, I would like you all to express your thoughts in the comment section below. And where do you see Tesla stock heading from here? Also, if you found this video really informative, then please make sure to press the like button, subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, enjoy your day.